Hi guys, in this video we are going to see about Yamaha Fz fuse system and battery. To reach the battery and fuse we have to remove bike seat and side covers. Yamaha Fz FI comes with 5 amps battery. And now you are seeing the fuse box. The fuse box always comes with 2 extra spare fuse. So you can replace it whenever it needed. This blue one is actual fuse connected on the fuse box. If it gets blown out, the bike won't get started and you won't see any response on the display. Once the fuse is attached back, display will start working and self-start also will work. In case if you don't have any spare fuse, don't worry, we can start the bike using pull start method. These are the spare fuse which comes with the bike. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.